As a beginner filmmakers or content creators, you don't need expensive gear to start. Welcome to 30 days, 30 content creation tips, day one. As a beginner content creator or filmmakers, you don't need expensive gear to start. Okay, relax. The fact is, filmmaking and content creation are very, very expensive. Starting from the lights, sound, camera, and even editing softwares, all this stuff is super expensive. But at the same time, don't be intimidated. I understand you want your content to look pretty good, classic, and stand out, just like your mentor or your superstar influencer. But you sabi the kind camera that they use. If you have money to rent gear or hire someone, so you don't. So instead of stressing your mental health, why not start where you are with what you have? If you don't have lights, make use of your direct sunlight. If you can't afford a mic, find a low noisy area and enhance the voice using AI. You don't know how to use advanced software like Premiere Pro. Make use of your CapCut on your smartphone. Nah, you don't have a data camera and yet you are using iPhone 11. So some of you even say you need a 4K camera. My brother, you are not ready yet. So my point is, as a creative, don't be ashamed to start with what you have and where you are. We learn in the process, and always remember that perfection leads to procrastination, and procrastination is like a red flag for every beginner filmmakers or content creator.